Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching the channel. So this is video 2. I'm going to teach you how to do the DIY hair mask. So we're going to be doing a double boil method where you put some water in a pot, you put a glass bowl on top of the pot, and then you put your shea butter there and you let it heat up on high until it melts. So here you're going to need the apple cider vinegar with mother, your Fenugreek thickening Chebe hair food oil, some coconut milk unsweetened. What you're going to do the day before is turn it upside down and put it in a refrigerator so it can solidify. Open it up, pour all the excess out, and you will have something like this. Then you're going to put 2 capfuls of the apple cider vinegar, put some Fenugreek Chebe hair food oil, and then you're going to do about 1/4 of a cup of the shea butter melted. Now mine came out the refrigerator, so it was kind of hard, so you could put it in a microwave for like 30-40 seconds. Mine was still a little bit too thick, but it worked out just as good. You can do this as well where you just put hot water and place it on hot water so it can stay like liquefied. So please watch video 1 so you can see how I detangled her pull hair. So here her hair is really soft. It's finger detangled, and you can see here I'm just putting the hair mask on it and rubbing my fingers through it, kind of like finger detangling again. And so you can see how her hair is like transforming. You can see how her curls are coming defined. Her hair is very moisturized. I absolutely love this mask. And I just take the brush and I start from the bottom and work my way up to the top. And you can see the brush is just like going through it with ease. It's just, I love this mask. And you can see her curls popping, coming back in. Okay, so fast forward. Here, I'm just doing the same exact thing. I did end up just taking the top off and pouring it on there because I was like, okay, no one has time for this. Mine was a little bit too thick, so make yours a little bit thinner if you can. And this is the method I use to just grow our hair, really. I just brush each section for like 3 to 4 minutes. And I just keep brushing it. And there's that. And then you can see some of the hair loss here, which wasn't bad for how her hair was at all. This also helps with hair loss, preventing a whole bunch of hair just falling out from trying to comb it all the time when it's kind of tangled like that. So here I worked it in, brushed it. It's a little messy, so be ready to have a towel on. And I'm doing her edges here. And then I'm going to put her under the steamer for about 10 minutes. And then I put her in the shower and then clean scalp here. And you can see how fluffy and clean her hair is. And then I'm going to take the aloe vera hydrating hairspray. I'm going to use this as a hydration plus a heat protectant because I'm going to be using the Revlon comb brush dryer. I don't know what it's called, but I absolutely love this one. I use this all the time on my hair and my daughter's hair. And I'm just going to take it piece by piece and blow dry her hair pretty much. Nothing too crazy here. You guys know how to blow dry. I will say that this is my favorite blow dryer, and I use this blow dryer all the time. So you can see how silky and nice and how long her hair is getting. It's about time for a trim now, but I just put her hair all in pretty much 4 sections before I styled it. And I'm going to show you about 3 or 4 ways I styled it in the next video. Make sure you guys watch video 3. But I just put it up like this and then watch video 3 so you guys can see a couple different ways of how I style her hair. Thank you for watching. And here's the products that I use. The Fenugreek Chebe thickening hair food oil and then aloe vera hydrating spray.